All right, so this is the fourth video of series. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the same content we created for Jvzoo product launch using the chat GPT, and we're going to post this content to the LinkedIn, which is again a big network. So the process is same. First of all, you're going to copy the whole AI generated content, go to your LinkedIn account, and there click on write article, and then you need to paste the whole article here. And the title, again the same thing, title gonna be same like this. And upload from computer. If you remember, we already have that image we have taken for Cora. This is the product image. That's it. Now click on next, like new product review. Click on publish. Okay, so here it is, our article. You can see we have a nice keywords and everything on the URL. That's what we want, and it's done. So it's super easy, super easy. If you have some confusion, make sure to watch the first videos of the series. All right, that how we come up with content. And again, make sure to link this particular link, I mean text, with the affiliate link of your Jvzoo product, so you can get commission. This is all. It's very simple, and we're done with LinkedIn.